morning, children. Welcome to the next class for History, Standard 6. Today I am going to tell you about the Indus Valley Civilization. Children, open your book, page number 24, the Indus Valley Civilization. What is Indus Valley Civilization? The Indus Valley Civilization was an ancient civilization located in what is Pakistan and northwest India today. On the fertile flood plain of the Indus River and the area near or surrounding a particular place. By 2600 BCE, dozens of towns and cities had been established, and between 2500 and 2000 BCE, the Indus Valley civilization was at its peak. Got it? So children, look at the map now. The map is on page number 25. The highlighted area is Indus Valley civilization. This all the highlighted area. Clear? This all is Indus Valley civilization, this total area. As you can see, it is spread over the area of present day India and Pakistan. You can see here. It's page number 25. Got it? I hope you understand. Now come to the box at page 24 under the heading of Get Set. This Get Set. In 1820s, a British adventurer, Charles Mason, saw mounds in a village known as Harappa. After nearly 100 years, the excavations were carried out by Dayaram Sahni and R.D. Banerjee to find out the Indus Valley civilization. These excavations were carried with the discovery of Indus. These excavations were carried out under the guidance of Sir John Marshall. It's written here. You can see. Now come to the chapter. With the discovery of Indus Valley civilization and further excavation of the area made historians and archaeologists to believe that a great civilization prevailed in India around 4500 years ago. The recent excavation in the state of Haryana and discoveries from the excavation made historians believe that Indus Valley civilization is more than 8000 years old. Birana, a small town in Haryana, it is identified as the oldest site of Indus Valley civilization. I hope you got it, these two paragraphs. Now come to the main sites, children. This is the main site. The first paragraph is Harappa is the first discovered site of this civilization, excavated in 1921 by a team led by Dayaram Sahni. It was major urban center during its mature phase, surrounded by extensive walls. It is located in Punjab province, Pakistan, on an old bank. Its location along old course of Ravi provided access to trade networks, aquatic food and water for drinking and cultivation. Due to this, Harappa remained occupied for a long time. Further, Harappa was also a meeting point of trade routes coming from east. It was believed that Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and other nearby sites civilization was limited to a small area near river Indus. Mohenjo-daro was excavated by a team led by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. It is located in Larkana district of Sindh, Pakistan, on bank of Indus River. Later excavations, however, reveal that the Indus civilization was spread over a much larger area. Indus remains have been found in sites. So these sites written here in your book, so many sites, Kot Diji, Amre. Now come to the Kot Diji. Kot Diji was pre-Harappan site and located on the left bank of river Sindh. The city was distracted by force or some fire. A statue of bull and mother goddess are things found in Kot Diji. Chanudaro. Chanudaro is situated 130 kilometers south of Mohenjo-daro in Sindh. Amri is also present-day Pakistan. Now come to the Banawali Indian part. Banwali is located in Hisar district of Haryana. High quality barley has been found in Banawali. Rakhigadi. Rakhigadi in Hisar. Birhana is also in Haryana. Haryana is one of the largest sites of Indus Valley. Ropar. Ropar in Punjab was excavated under Y.D. Sharma. There is another site, Bara near Ropar, which shows an evidence of the decaying culture of pre-Harappan era. Alamgiripur. It is located in Meerut in Uttar Pradesh and is considered to be easternmost boundary of Indus Valley. Very important findings of Alamgirpur is pottery, plant fossils, animal bones and copper tools. Kalibangan. It is in Hanumangarh district of Rajasthan. It was located on the bank of now dried up Saraswati river and flourished for at least 5 centuries. Lothal. It is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It was a coastal town and had different type of town planning. The city was divided into 6 sections and each section was built on a wide platform of unripe bricks. Rangpur. It is located 50 kilometers from Ahmedabad in Gujarat. This along with Lothal are 2 sites where rice husk has been found by archaeologists. Dholavira. It is located in Rann of Kutch of Gujarat. It is relatively a new discovery excavated in 1990s by a team led by R.S. Bhisht. There are many other places like this where the excavation have been carried out. Remains of Indus Valley civilization have been found. Since the main sites of this civilization is Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, which were found in the valley of river Indus, scholars have named Indus Valley civilization. It is also called the Harappan civilization. This is very important line, children. You should underline this. This is also known as Harappan civilization, and please underline the keyword, that is very important. Now come to the sources. Archaeological sources can come from various places. They can be building, monuments, artifacts such as ornaments, pot, statue, as well as so many things that help identify a culture, literature of that same period of time, and correspondence regarding exchanges between different culture are also a source. Harappa and Mohenjo-daro are names given to the sites in modern times. No one knows what the actual people who lived there called themselves. There was no written document found yet about Indus Valley. This is the reason that so much of knowledge about civilization still lies hidden. Got it? Clear, students? Students, we will study up to here only. Now we will discuss question and answers. Come to the page number 31. Question 1. Exercise D. The first question. Archaeological sources are the main source for studying the Indus Valley civilization. Archaeological sources are the main sources for studying the Indus Valley civilization. You can find this answer on page number 24 under topic sources. You can find the answer in this paragraph under the topic sources. Now come to page number 31, question 1, exercise D. Exercise E. It's F. It's F. Page number 32. The first question is, what is the Indus Valley civilization, also known as why? You can find the answer on page number 24 under the topic of main sites, third paragraph. Here is the answer in this paragraph. I hope you understand. Got it, children? Today we will study up to this much only, and we will continue in the next class. Thank you, students.